Hi and welcome again. We will be demonstrating in this session how quickly Partition Designer can create drawings. Obviously we filled in all the job related information, so we'll just go ahead and hit continue, and for speed purposes we will be accepting the room names that this system offers us. So this is room 1, powder coated, forest green, chrome plated Zamac hardware. We'll hit continue, go with headrail braced. First room will be an in corner. Stall depth will be 60. Number of stalls will be 5. Go to layout screen. The system will automatically calculate the pilasters from our library of components. This looks good. Create new room. Next will be a between wall. We'll select the same style, materials, etc. So it's a between wall. It'll be 3 stalls. And between wall width, you can auto calc that. Okay, actually we'll turn that off and we'll make this 140. Stall depth will be 60. And we'll change our first stall to 67. And we'll go to the layout screen. And that looks good. Quickly we'll turn our doors around. We'll make them left hand in and apply those to both standard doors. Since coming off the wall pilaster adds to the stability. Create a new room. Okay, our next room is going to be an in corner with between wall units. It'll be 5 units wide. Initially there'll be 2 large stalls. Large stall depth is 60 inches to satisfy the handicap requirements. Small stalls is 3. Small stall depth will be 54, and we'll auto calc the between wall. Go to the layout, and the system automatically sets up the pilasters and doors as we need them. Notice the blue in the background is a headrail, so we have a headrail going back in that break between the 2 depths. Create a new room. This time we'll be creating a single alcove stall. We'll go with our standard size. Alcove width will be 97 inches. We'll go to the layout editor. System automatically puts a headrail across the middle of the stall. That looks fine. Create a new room. The last will be an alcove with between wall units. We'll go with the standard alcove on that as well. Alcove width will be 110. Number of stalls will be 4. Stall depth will be 60, and between wall dimension will be 172. Right, go to the layout screen, and the system has automatically composed something pretty close to what we'd want. Let's say we need to go in and change this to a 108. System automatically makes the appropriate adjustments. If we change other things about the layout, it makes adjustments as well. Hit update. Okay, our layout is updated. We now go to job complete. Gives us the summary. There's 5 rooms with a quick description. We hit OK to plot those and create a quotation. We'll hit submit, and the system now goes ahead and generates all the documentation and drawings necessary for this job. Okay, so we will look at the output from the system. It took about 2.5 minutes for this quote and the attendant drawings, the 5 drawings, to come to us once we hit the job complete button. So here we have a breakdown of the job. Notice the quantities, the item description, part numbers, the finish, where it applies, the weight of each one, and these weights are added up as a composite at the bottom. Unit price per, the discount is applied across the board, 15% in this case, and the extended price as well. Okay, now we'll take a look at the drawings. And the first drawing that was created was the in corner 5. And notice what it includes. Obviously stall dimensions, the overall dimension, even though it's an in corner, we dimension to the last. Stall depth, the opening gap, toilet locations, toilet centers are dimensioned here. Blocking is included as well in the center line of each panel. However, the blocking, the toilets, they can be eliminated. We dimension the panels, the doors, the pilasters. We dimension the headrail, and what we do is we give a breakdown then of the headrail into stock sizes. All right, So the next one is the between wall 3 with the larger first stall, and notice how the system very nicely picked the appropriate pilasters and doors to achieve that layout. Also notice that all the information relating to the job is included in the title block. Okay, then we have the dual stall width. Here's the handicap stall and one adjacent deeper stall, then 3 small. Okay, and again, everything is documented. We included a headrail. Headrail placement is per customer and per layout and material, and so that's something that you'd have complete control over as a configuration of the system, and also on a job-by-job basis if you wanted to override your defaults. Okay, here's the single alcove. Again, we were given the gap, the panel size, the pilaster size, the door, the other pilaster, and the gap. And the last drawing, which is the between wall alcove, again completely dimensioned, and the appropriate headrails are selected as well. All right, so that was a pretty quick turnaround. It took about 2.5 minutes. Once we hit job complete, the composition of the rooms themselves took between 2 and 3 minutes. We appreciate your time. Thank you.